Okay, so here we have a typical area ready for disinfecting. You're going to want to stand back from your target a few feet. You'll get a better idea once the mist starts coming out. You can see where it's falling. Make sure it falls on the items that you want. You want to stand back and kind of go back and forth like this with the sprayer, and you'll see the mist falling on the objects that you want. Over on these areas, you can hold it up a little bit higher and spray back and forth like so. And was the walls as well, and down here, back and forth, and then as you're moving out of the area, you can go over and the mist can cover the carpets as well.
Chris, I have a question. Should they do the ceilings and the lights?
Well, no, I don't think so,
Okay.
because this is just going to spray up in the air, and it's not going to stay up there. It's just going to fall to the ground.
And how about the bulletin boards? A lot of the kids touch the bulletin boards.
They could be sprayed, but just remember to stand back so it's not, you're not soaking it.
Great. So it's coming more of a mist, I'm hearing you say.
Yes.
Great, great. Thank you, Chris.
All right, you want to do the same thing in the bathroom? I don't know how your light's going to be in here.
That's okay, fine.
Whenever you're ready.
I'm still rolling.
Oh, for the bathroom, again, we'll start up high and go back and forth, stand back a bit so you don't get any on you. And when you get down to the toilet area, you can get a little bit closer, because if the toilet does get wet with the disinfectant, it'll dry up or it can be wiped up. And so as you're going through, you're gonna just sweep back and forth across the room, and then concentrate on the individual stalls, the walls, etc. Chairs, doors, high touch areas, such as the half doors and the light switches.